Here's another Today in DaCosse.
$40. $30. 90. Come on. And that's a waste of time. Let's do number 2. Come on. Daddy needs a new bicycle. Daddy needs a new. Come on. 20. 220s. Oh my God. What is? Come on. Ooh. 100. 100. 6. Why would that even be? Oh my God. I'm so.
Hey John, what's going on? I can hear you all the way to the other side of the room.
I never win. I don't even know why I bother. I never win. I get nothing. I might as well just throw my money out the window. This is an absolute waste of time. They're yours, Brian. Enjoy.
Thanks.
Enjoy. Use them as a coaster. This didn't even have 2 numbers that were the same. 100, 20.
Oh my God! I just won $2,500. John, look at this. Thank you so much. This is the best gift anyone has ever given me. Thank you.
You owe me $2.